Welcome to today's financial news update from quantbyte.io. Corn prices are largely unchanged in morning trading, with futures holding steady or inching slightly higher. The market retained its gains from Friday's session, which saw contracts finish near their highs despite a pullback towards the close. The US dollar index, DXY, rebounded by plus 0.09% after hitting a 1.5-week low, driven by eased concerns over credit quality of regional banks. Relief came as allegations of loan fraud against Zions Bancorp and Western Alliance Bancorp were mitigated, lifting the dollar's value. Investors looking to buy Molina Healthcare Inc., MOH, shares may find it expensive at the current market price of $197.18 per share. As a result, they are exploring alternative strategies such as selling puts to potentially benefit from this situation. Investors seeking to buy Teradyne, Incorporated, TER, shares are wary of its current market price of $139.69 per share. They may consider a selling put strategy as an alternative approach. Dividend stocks are ranked based on a proprietary formula, combining fundamental strength with undervaluation. Micron Technology's current market price is $209.77 per share, deterring some investors from buying stock. A viable alternative strategy for these investors is to consider selling puts, which can provide a potential income stream, while allowing them to benefit from a lower purchase price if the option expires worthless. Winter wheat contracts are experiencing minor losses, while spring wheat remains stable. However, the overall wheat complex showed a higher closing price due to efforts to establish a market floor for winter wheat. The major U.S. stock indices finished the trading session with gains. The S&P 500 rose 0.53%, the Dow Jones Industrials increased by 0.52%, and the Nasdaq 100 climbed 0.65%. This was also reflected in futures contracts, as December E-mini S&P futures rose 0.55%. Stocks have surged higher in today's trading, building on gains from the previous session. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 indices continue to trend upwards, closing in on their all-time high points. Gulfport Energy Corporation's, GPOR, stock has surpassed its 200-day moving average of $180.84, reaching as high as $184.94 per share. Currently, GPOR is trading up approximately 1.7% on the day. This development suggests a potential uptrend in the company's stock price. The Direxon Daily Semiconductors Bear 3X Shares ETF, SOXS, has entered oversold territory, with shares trading as low as $3.80 per share. This indicates that the fund may be due for a potential rebound, according to Relative Strength Index, RSI, technical analysis. Invesco Variable Rate Investment Grade ETF, VRIG, shares dropped below their 200-day moving average of $25.09, reaching a low of $25.05 per share. The decline represents a decrease of approximately 0.4%. Progress is being made in emerging technologies, with various players advancing their work in this area. There is no financial information in this text snippet. It appears to be related to home decoration trends and shopping at home goods stores. Avantor Inc.'s stock price has crossed above its 200-day moving average, reaching a high of $15.25 per share. This move indicates a potential shift in momentum for the company's shares, with a current daily gain of approximately 2.4%. Stay informed with quantbyte.io for the latest financial news.